Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Kolony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Today we'll be making banana bread and I'll be making two types. I'll be using a topping, a crumble fruit and nut topping, and the other one will be plain. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. In today's video, I'll be making a loaf, and my son asked me the difference between the loaf and the cake. And the difference is the loaf is much heavier, and obviously the cake would be lighter. And in the loaf, you use less fat and less egg. And you can also use the whole wheat flour in the loaf, and it doesn't change the taste or the texture. Now let's get baking. To make our banana bread, we'll need 4 cups of flour. And this is all-purpose flour. Here I have a little bit of crumble, and I'll explain later. We'll need a half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to need our flavoring: vanilla, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Now I'll be using 4 very ripe bananas, a cup of brown sugar or white sugar if you have it, 3 medium eggs, a third of a cup of almond milk. I might not use it, but if my batter gets too thick, I'll have to use it. 3/4 of a cup of butter, but in this case I'll be using half cup, and also a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now it's time to cream our butter and sugar. Now you may use a mixer if you have one, but it's easy to do with your hand. We're adding the oil now. Now remember, it's 3/4 of a cup of butter, but if you don't want to use all butter, you can use oil alone. But because olive oil makes it moist, I use some. We add our sugar, and we're going to cream. So we're going to cream. Now I've been rubbing this for about 5 minutes, and this is okay now. And most of the sugar has dissolved, so let's continue. Now it's time to peel and crush our bananas. The riper, the better. You may crush it as coarse as you like. Some people like it smooth, and some people like lumps in it. It's time to get our eggs ready. It's time to mix the dry ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 of cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg. So we blend everything together. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla to the banana, crushed banana. So a tablespoon of lime juice to cut down on any rawness. We add some flour to the mixture, not all of it. We add half the amount of banana. Now we blend. add the rest. At this point, I'm going to just add the banana, the rest of the banana. We mix. This is okay, it's ready to place in the tin. Remember, it's a loaf and not a cake. I'm going to pour half the amount in one tin. I have some crumble and some cut some diced cherries along with some nuts, and I'm going to mix it together and I'm going to sprinkle it over one. For those people who don't want the soft top, you want something more crunchy, this is what you could do. And a crumble is actually butter, sugar and flour rubbed together to be looking more like breadcrumbs. You could use walnut, you could use any other nut you like. You can use fruits only. $160 for 45 minutes. We have it, delicious, moist, soft and beautiful. This was not very sweet, and it was, you could taste the banana in the loaf. Now I enjoy mine with a cup of cappuccino and some fruits in the morning, but you may have yours with lunchtime, whenever you want. It's a lovely snack. You may modify your banana bread. You can add more fruits. You can add, any topping you like. You may even add chocolate. You can do whatever you like, but one thing I can tell you, it's delicious and satisfying and easy to make. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.